clean. Don't play them. That me tell you. Today, I got some stew chicken. Some mushroom stew chicken. Matter of fact, so I have some mushroom and some water soak. Some dry mushroom, you know. Some soak them off already. I have some chicken in the fridge with the season from the other day and thing. So you don't know. Stay tuned. First thing first, put some wine in the pot that I go and heat up and thing. Put some sugar in that. Alright. Don't add too much stuff. That go and caramelize, you know. Nice color. I don't know today I use wok. You know, so a whole heap of heat I got run today. I did the chicken, isn't it? I did all of that. That one cook. I don't know, I got some garlic and scallion and these are ginger seeds and some onion. Alright, look at that. And so this is the chicken foot. I know probably someone watching the video and say, what are this is the chicken foot, isn't it? Them chicken foot are different. And here, yes, I cut off the nail them off a chicken foot. I don't cook chicken foot with nail. Not now waste, not now dash wet. In Taiwan you have lots of different type of chicken. You even have chicken with black. Like black chicken, literally the color of the chicken is black. That's his skin tone. So yeah, season them cut up and everything. Onion, scallion, garlic, ginger, carrot and potato. So I'll cook some more. Then we're gonna add in the season and thing like those. And these are the mushrooms. So these are some dried mushrooms. So I soak them in some water, get them like coming back out fluffy and things. So I'm just gonna bust these in two, wash them off again, and then add them to the pot. Let that cook down. I'm cooking this with some white rice. That being said, I'm gonna also steam some cabbage. Alright, look at that. A little bit more hot water. Now I'm just gonna add the mushroom. I cut it up now. The cabbage I'm gonna steam that later. And this is the rest of the seasoning to add in the chicken. Alright, that's good now. So I'm gonna add the seasoning inside. Also add the mushroom. So I have the seasoning inside. My vacuum is very low. So I'm gonna add some hot water inside of that now. That should be enough. So that's good. And the ship is sailing. So the next stop is gonna be home port. Home port is the next stop for the ship. And that's it. It's not a boat, it's a ship here. Boat a small thing, this is a ship. Big ship. So this is mushroom stew chicken, right? And please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. And I'll keep good content coming, okay? It's coming on nice, but I'm gonna add a little bit more flavor to it. I'm gonna add a little bit of oyster sauce. Come down, very thick. Alright. So a little bit of oyster sauce. That's good enough. That seals the deal. Gravy is rich. Coming along. Then another 5 to 10 minutes under slow heat. Should be done. So I'm gonna turn this all the way down. Like that. Perfect. some chicken foot and my black chicken foot, you know. Alright. Potatoes are cooked, chicken is cooked, mushroom is cooked. Alright. Finish, and that's how you cook mushroom stew chicken. So I add some grated garlic there. As soon as that is like, you can put it, you can smell the garlic being burned. Pepper and some salt and cover the pot. Let it steam. Let the pot do its thing. And that should be good. Add a little bit water. Just a little bit. Good to go. It's about that time now. The cabbage is ready. Simple and easy. Not greasy. That's it. Off. This is the end product. Tell me what you guys think about this. Mushroom stew chicken, steamed cabbage, and white rice.